SQL or Python? Today we are putting them head to head with a classic data science interview question. Find the latest user login for the year 2020. Let's see who does it better. We have a table of user logins. Some are from 2019 and some are from 2021. We care only about 2020 and we only want the absolute last time they logged in that year. In SQL, we write the select statement and we filter to the rows that have a timestamp in 2020. We need a function year here. Since some users could log in more than once in 2020, we need to group them and we are interested only in the latest date. We will call this column last stamp. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, first we filter the data frame for logins that occurred in 2020. So we take the column timestamp and with the function date year, we filter to 2020. We will save this new dataset into the dataset called logins 2020. Now we need to group by user ID. So we take the new dataset and we use the method group by. We need to find the max timestamp and reset the index. This new dataset we will save into result. Now we take the result and we need to rename the timestamp column into last stamp. And we are ready to return the result. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? SQL or Pandas? Let me know in the comments.